Hello everyone. Today we'll start 2017-18 NCO paper set A for class 6. So let's get started. Let's start with the logical reasoning portion. Question number 1. How many such 7s are there in the given series, each of which is immediately preceded by 9 and also immediately followed by 8? Immediately preceded by 9 means 9 comes just before 7 and 7 is immediately followed by 8. That means 8 comes just after 7. Look at the figure. The answer will be option B. There is one such series. Question number 2. Which of the following options will replace the question mark in the given figure matrix? Look at the figure matrix. Every figure is increased by 1 in its right side. So the answer will be option A. It should be 3 dots. Question number 3. If A stands for plus, B stands for minus, C stands for multiplication and D stands for division, then 5C, 5D, 5A, 5B, 5 equals to dash. Here we have to put plus in place of A, minus in place of B, multiplication in place of C and division in place of D. So it will be 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 5 plus 5 minus 5 will get 5. So the answer will be option B. Question number 4. Select figure from the options which satisfies the same condition of placement of dots as in figure X. Look at the figures carefully. This dot is placed only inside the triangle and this dot is placed inside the circle and square. So we have to find a figure in which one dot can be placed inside the triangle only and another inside the square and circle. So from all these figures, the correct answer will be option C. Now question number 5. In a certain code language, bright is written as ASHHGU. Then how will return be written in that language? Here B became A, that means B minus 1 is A, R become S, R plus 1 is S. Similarly, I minus 1 is S, G plus 1 is H, H minus 1 is G and T plus 1 is U. The same rule if we apply for return will get option C. Question number 6. Select a figure from the options which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. Look at the figures carefully. The correct answer will be option C. Question number 7. There is a certain relationship between figures I and 2I. Establish a similar relationship between figures 3I and IV by selecting a suitable figure from the options which will replace the question mark in the figure IV. The upper figure, that is triangle in figure I, became the inner figure in figure 2I. The lower figure, that is the square, became the outer figure in figure 2I. Triangle has 3 sides, square has 4 sides, and the innermost figure in figure 2I has 5 sides. So if we apply the same rule in figure 3I and IV, figure IV will be option B. Question number 8. Bonds walks 20 meters towards north. He then turns left and walks 40 meters. He again turns left and walks 20 meters. Further, he moves 20 meters after turning to the right. How far is he from his original position? I have drawn the figure here. Look at the figure. So the answer will be option D, 20 meter plus 40 meter, which is 60 meter. Now question 9. Looking at a woman sitting next to him, Amit said, "She is the sister of the husband of my wife." How is the woman related to Amit? The woman is his sister. So the answer will be option C. Now question number 10. Select the correct water image of given figure X. Look at the figure. The correct water image of the figure X will be option A. Now coming to the computers and information technology portion. Question number 11. Identify the following. An internet search engine that uses information from many sources. It is founded by Gabriel Weinberg. It is a privacy-focused search engine that shows the same results for a given search term to all its users. It will be DuckDuckGo, which is in option C. DuckDuckGo is an internet search engine that emphasizes protecting searchers' privacy and avoiding the filter bubble of personalized search results. The answer will be option C. Question number 12. Complete the given diagram by replacing X, Y and Z with the following options. Primary memory, X and Y. Primary memory are of two types, that is RAM and ROM. Option A and B both are having RAM and ROM. So primary memory and other one is secondary memory, which is also called auxiliary memory. So Z could be auxiliary memory or secondary memory. So the answer will be option D, that is both A and B. Question number 13. In Windows 7, pressing dash keys allows you to create a new subfolder in a folder. To create a new subfolder in a folder, we have to press Ctrl, Shift and N. So the answer will be option A. Question number 14. What is meant by disk rot? The answer will be option B. It is a phase describing the tendency of CD or DVD or other optical discs to become unreadable due to physical or chemical deterioration. Disk rot occurs basically due to the chemical reactions with the reflective layer of the disk. Now question number 15. Identify the device given here and select the statement which is or are correct about it. The picture is of a barcode reader. Statement I. It is a direct input device and consists of a scanner, decoder and a cable that is used for connecting it with a computer. This is the correct option. Statement 2i. It uses optical character recognition technology to read barcodes. This is the incorrect option. 3i. It is mainly used in banking industries. This is also the incorrect option. So the answer will be option A. Only I is the correct option. Question number 16. Arrange the given computers in order of their increasing speed by identifying their types. Apple IIi, Saga 220, PDP 11. Speed of Apple IIi is 1.023 MHz. Speed of PDP-11 is 1.25 MHz and speed of Saga 220 is 220 teraflops. So if we arrange them according to their increasing speed, it will be option B, Apple IIe, then PDP-11, then Saga 220. Now question number 17. Which of the following statements is or are incorrect about QBasic? Statement I. Every program shall begin with set command and end with terminate command. This is the incorrect statement about QBasic. Statement 2i. Arithmetic operators cannot be used in if statements. This is also the incorrect statement about QBasic. 3i. We can use question mark in place of print command. This is the correct statement. So the answer will be option C. Both I and 2i are incorrect. Question number 18. Which of the following options, when clicked, will allow you to change the length and order of animation applied to various graphical objects in a slide in MS PowerPoint 2010? Look at the pictures carefully. The answer will be option C. Now question number 19. The computers developed during fourth generation of computers were smaller in size but yet were quite powerful. The main concept behind their computation power was dash. The answer will be option B, microprocessor. Now question number 20. I have created a new slide layout for presentation with some background styles in Slide Master View. Now I want to make that custom slide layout available to Slide Layout Gallery with a new name. Which of the following options shall I select to do so in MS PowerPoint 2010? The correct answer will be option B. Thanks for watching.